Ready to take your products from WooCommerce to Etsy? With EasyChannel, this process is effortless. 3 simple steps under 3 minutes and you have your first product live on Etsy. So, intro and we are starting.
First, let's connect your WooCommerce store. Click on your avatar, go to Integrations, and approve the connection. Once that's done, you're all set. In the background, EasyChannel automatically imports your WooCommerce products and uses AI to map your product categories to Etsy's categories. This ensures your products are ready to go on Etsy without any manual setup. So all that's left to do is to publish the product now. Now, let's move on to publishing the product. Head to the All Products view, select the WooCommerce product you want to publish and click Publish to Channel. Choose your Etsy store as the destination, select the default mapping template and click Publish as Live. EasyChannel will now handle publishing your product to Etsy. Let's check your Etsy shop. And here it is. Our WooCommerce product is live on Etsy with all the details, including images, titles, and description. If you'd like to customize the category mapping, you can do that in the Category Mapper tool. Simply map your WooCommerce categories to Etsy categories in a custom way. For more details on how to use the Category Mapper, check out the video linked in the description. Finally, let's set up inventory and pricing sync. Back in EasyChannel, go to Inventory Management in the catalog, click on the Settings button, select your Etsy account, and choose Edit Settings. Here, you can activate automated price syncing from EasyChannel to Etsy, enable inventory sync to keep stock updated in real time, and ensure order updates from Etsy reflect across your other channels for seamless inventory management. This will help you avoid overselling and keep your listings accurate and up to date across all platforms.
Sign up today to EasyChannel to get your free trial and experience this easy process firsthand. So, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to stay tuned on everything that we do here in EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.